how to send PDF file to WhatsApp from your computer. So it's very easy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. So make sure you watch it until the end. So first you can open your WhatsApp app on your desktop, or you can using WhatsApp for web on Google Chrome. In this video, I'm using WhatsApp app. So first you can just open the chat and then click this one, attach icon here, and then you can choose document here, and then you can search your document you want to send. You can search the PDF file, and then you can put the message here like this, just for example, and click send. And also, and if your PDF is in the desktop like this, you can just click it and hold it, and then you can drag it to the chat, and then you can just click send. So yeah, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.